The mother of Vice President Leni Robredo has died. Salvacion Gerona passed away on February 22. Robredo announced her mother's death in a Facebook post. In January 24, amid the relief effort she was leading for Taal volcano eruption victims, Robredo traveled to Naga City. Her mother's condition improved then. Days later, her daughters also went home to Naga for their grandmother. Gerona was a teacher at Universidad de Santa Isabel in Naga City, one of the oldest schools in the country.